Election Commission of India ECI gi meeting makhada chahi asigi me kunthra dagi hauraga June 15 fauba chathakibas Manipur Special Intensive Revision SIR of Electoral Roll 2026 ki draft electoral roll ngasi Chief Electoral Officer CEO Manipur Arun Kumar Sinha na phongre Apunba elector LAKH kungali marifutara humdoiga supna humfutara taruk manungda elector LAKH taraga mapan lising kuntraga mariga chahum marifutara mapan na enumeration form EF pikhalaki EF pikhalakpagi chang chada marifutara ni thoiga 10 beg mari ani oike SIR asida elector singdagi ER laukhatpa ngamkidabagi masing LAKH amaga lising yankhai ga nipan ga chatruk humfutara taret oike percentage sa chada taret 10 manga nipan oike SIR asida map tauba ngamkidabagi masing lishing marifutara mathoiga chama humfutara nipan oiki percentage cha chada mari 10 ahum taruk oiki hairi SIR gi draft electoral roll published tauba thauramadu mari lainana lamfelda leiba CEO office ta paumi shinga unaba amada CEO Arun Kumar Sinha na hai chahi asigi June 15 fauba chathakiba special intensive revision SIR aduda apunba electors singi manungda chada marifutara nithoiga 10 mari anina enumeration form submit tawrakiba adumak yamna chauna mai pakpa amani SIR asida punba district taraga taruk ke punba polling station lising aniga chamapan yankhai ga tarukta ERO humfu AERO marfuga mari BLO supervisor chahum taraga tared amadi BLO lising aniga chamapan yankhai ga taruk sejinake draft electoral roll asi kendra humfu Concerned Electoral Registration Officer ERO Singna published tawkre. Draft roll asi the yaudaba budwise abes shifted that duplicate elector sing ERO CEO office ki notice board sing damadi CEO website sing da display tawduna miyam gi damak thamjare. Draft roll asi ga mari lainana claim amadi objection July 5 dagi August mari fawgi manungda tawba yagani. Claim amadi objection sing asi July 5 dagi September ani fawgi manungda dispose tawraba matungda final electoral roll September 3 ta publish tawgani elector amata proper hearing amadi speaking order p dana delete tawroi haina CEO asina thamlakli
We will be issuing notices to this 91,178 people who we were not able to map with the 2005 electoral roll, and they have to bring in document which proves somehow that we are able to map them with the 2005 electoral roll, and once we are able to map them, then their name will be added in the final electoral roll. So now in this phase, 2-3 things that we will be doing. As I said, we will be issuing notices to these 91,178 people who we were not able to map. Then those people who have been left out or they are not able to return the form, they can fill up form 6 to get their name added in the final roll. Of course, they have to fill up form 6 along with the declaration form. If anybody has an objection to somebody's name figuring in the draft electoral roll, then they can fill up the objection in form 7. Anybody who wants to change their constituency, they can, or any correction in their name or father's name, age, whatever, then they can fill up form 8 for corrections. As I said, nobody can remove anybody's from the draft electoral roll unless he has been given opportunity of hearing, and only after hearing and ERO passes a speaking order, somebody's name can be deleted from the draft electoral roll.